In the heart of Shanghai, where modern skyscrapers touch the sky, begins a journey that bridges continents and cultures reminiscent of the ancient Silk Road. Centuries ago, the Silk Road was more than just a trade route. It was a lifeline connecting the East and West, facilitating not only the exchange of goods, but also culture, technology, and ideas. Today, under the visionary guidance of Bernd Ferber, CEO of Tempulse Global, and the ambitious entrepreneurs from the DACH region, we embark on a new journey along the Belt and Road Initiative's flagship train connection. Our voyage leads us through Xi'an, where the Terracotta Army stands guard, a testament to perseverance and innovation. Xi'an, once the eastern end of the Silk Road, now shines as a beacon of education and technology. As the train weaves through the heart of Asia to Europe, it mirrors the interconnectedness of our world, offering a path to economic and cultural synergy. Our journey culminates in Duisburg, where the world's largest inland port symbolizes the new era of trade. Here, the BRI's promise of economic growth and cooperation materializes. Behind this monumental initiative are the stories of entrepreneurs driven by a shared vision to foster a future of innovation and partnership. This journey from Shanghai to Duisburg is more than a mere physical connection. It's a testament to human ambition and ingenuity, symbolizing a bridge between cultures and eras, beckoning us to seize the future with open arms. Under the leadership of Bernd Ferber and the indomitable spirit of the DACH entrepreneurs, we stand on the brink of a new epoch. Join us as we shape our common future along the new Silk Road.